We're at the Wyndham Smokies Lodge, and welcome back to the Bell Terror building. Today we are in room 6208, a 3-bedroom deluxe, and this is something new. You just wave your key at the door, well, the door handle, I should say, this sensor right here, I should say. In other words, just wave it. Whoops, it was there a minute ago. But as you can see, turn on the lights. You got your dining table, seating for 8. And you got your dining table with your lights controlled over here. And then you got your 2 lamps right there with a table. And then you got an area for storage, that cabinet, these 2 drawers with those 2 shelves in the midst, and then another cabinet. Right here is a light switch to the kitchen. So you just come in here, you've got your hotel telephone, your kitchen accessories, your notepads, and right here you've got your dishwasher, just your basic dishwasher, sink, kitchen utensils, coffee maker, toaster, blender. Right here we come to the fridge, and it is locked via this sticker. We'll lay that right here. Right here you got your fridge with an ice maker. Right here you got your fridge. Here's the freezer, by the way. I got mixed up between the two somehow. And then down here you got your oven with range, and also comes equipped with the stove. Right here you got your microwave. And then you come in here. There's no closet right here somehow. I was quite surprised to see it. But regularly, in a 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom deluxe, you would regularly find a closet right here. And so, there is not a closet. Pretty interesting. But by the way, that was the way it was built. And you got your lamp right here, floor lamp, chair, couch bed, and you got another lamp down there with 2 sets of coasters, and then another table. Right here is your coffee table. And right here, you got your bar where people can sit here and have a good time. And then right here, you got another chair with that lamp and the set of coasters, as I mentioned. And right here, you got a Samsung TV with a DVD player underneath. Right here, you come out here. I did find out the problem in Unit 7103, where we were evicted from the balcony. There was a secret lock right here. So let's go out here and we'll check things out. Right here, you've got your outdoor water park. You've got your 2 sets of tables, 2 sets of chairs, and then a table. It's the same on the opposite side. And then we'll come in back in here. You also get a little handy dandy curtain with that in case you don't want to let in some natural light. And then you come in here, you got a Samsung TV, a light switch that goes to the ceiling fan, and then you got 2 drawers, well, 3 drawers. This is 1, that's 2 down there, and that's 3. And then right here, you got your closet with your safe and some hangers and whatever that thing is. And then right here you got your nightstand with your alarm clock. These are a little bit of a set of different lamps. Still your traditional lamp though. And right here you got your bed. I'm sure I mentioned that already. Then right here you got another nightstand with your hotel telephone. And then your notepad. And then you come in here to the bathroom. You've got a master bathtub with your towels and soap bar. Set of tissues right there. Right here, you got a sink, facial bar, and then you got some storage underneath in case you might want to store like maybe a hairdryer for say. And then right here, there's me. Ew. And right here, coming to the original bathroom. Right here, you've got a sink, toilet, flush this for your toilet fans. And right here, you got a walk-in shower. It's got an odd-looking door, which I'm sure I've talked about that like a million times on the channel. And right here, you got your towels with your washcloths and so on. And then you come over there, you've got two closets. Whoa. Right here's the closet that would regularly go right there. You got your trash can, vacuum cleaner, ironing board, extra pillows and blankets, hangers, and so on. And right here, you got your thermostat. And right here is the laundry room with your hot water heater. Kind of convenient to have right there. And then there's your laundry set. And then you come into the second bedroom. This is another single room. You got a light right there, controlled right here. You got a Samsung TV with your drawers, your dresser. Right down there you got a nightstand with a alarm clock, and then just a basic nightstand down here. And then right there, you got your big bed. It's similar as in the master bedroom down there. And before we go out of this room, you gotta have your closet with hangers and whatever that is. And then right here, you come into the third bedroom. This is the dual beds. You got two handy dandy power outlets on one side of the wall. Right here you got your Samsung TV, which is actually very small. And you got your TV remote, lamp, which is controlled right here. And right here, got your dresser, and so on. And you also get two of the drawers right there. And right here, you got your nightstand with your light. You can pull that out for extra storage. And then right here, you got a drawer. And so, yeah, this is a first for us. A 3-bedroom deluxe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, one quick room I forgot to mention was this bathroom. I went a little too fast, unfortunately. Of course, that's my fault. Right here, you got 2 mirrors and a sink. Right here, you've got cabinets with your hairdryer in there, too. A row of 3 drawers. Another drawer right here. And then you got the cabinet. Same as the other side. You come in here. Here is the bathroom. You got your toilet, trash can, toilet paper, and then right here you got your shower, which in unit 7103 they did not have any hot water in the second bathroom. I sure hope we have that. And then you gotta change faucets somehow. Or maybe that's new to me because we were in the Evergreen building. And so, yeah. Sorry about the missed bathroom in the take 1. But, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below.